Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make grilled salmon on the stove. Pat fillets dry, season with salt and pepper, and let rest while you heat a heavy skillet until hot. Use a tablespoon of oil, place skin side down, press gently for contact, and cook undisturbed for 3 to 4 minutes. Flip once and cook 2 to 3 minutes more for medium, adjust time for thickness, and rest before serving. Choose firm fillets with bright color and a fresh ocean scent, avoiding mushy or overly fishy pieces. Prefer 1-to-1. 5-inch thickness for even stove cooking and consistent doneness, and leave skin on for crisping. If using frozen salmon, thaw completely and pat dry to remove excess water so the fillet sears properly and avoids steaming in the pan. Season just before cooking to keep the surface dry and prevent moisture loss. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty to reward your feet after long stove sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and enjoy the deals and comfy socks while you cook. See you after the break. Now let's get back to the video. Heat skillet until shimmering, but not smoking, to get a good sear. Use high smoke point oil and press fillet skin down for 20 seconds to ensure full contact and crisp skin. Lower heat after sear if potato crust develops or thickness requires gentle finish. Use lid briefly if needed, and always rest fish for a few minutes to finish carryover cooking. Check doneness with a thermometer, 125 to 130 for medium, or flake with a fork if you prefer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.